Today I want to share my review of how to write a novel. Freak, why can't I remember the name of it? Before I begin, this is my first ever video. I have hundreds of book reviews to share, but I'm sure this one's going to be pretty cringy. But if you like this video and follow me on X, I promise by the time I get through the 100 books, I'll be a lot better at making videos than I am today. Hello storytellers, my name is Clinton, and I have spent the past 3 decades studying the art of writing. I want to share the books that helped me succeed and hope they do the same for you. Today I want to share my review of How to Write a Novel Using the Snowflake Method by Randy Ingermanson. Randy's book is different from other books I've read in that he uses a murder mystery starring Goldilocks, the 3 bears, the 3 little pigs, and the big bad wolf to teach readers how to use the Snowflake method to write a novel. The things I like best about this book are, the Snowflake method is an excellent way to outline a novel. It is a 10-step approach that has you start by writing a 1-sentence summary of your story. Steps 2 through 10 bounce back and forth between story and character, slowly building upon each so that by the time you get to step 10, you have a solid outline without any errors that you can use to start writing your novel. Randy's suggestion to drop your guard can help you add strength and emotion to your writing. Randy's goal, conflict, and setback strategy helps you write exciting scenes. Giving your characters conflicting values makes their interactions more intriguing. And Randy's book contains great advice on the mantra, show, don't tell. There are 2 things in this book that I think could be a bit stronger. First of all, the Goldilocks story competes with the Snowflake method and other helpful writing tips, and some of the writing tips could use a deeper discussion. Let's go over the 6-point analysis for this book. This book does not discuss grammar and style, which is a shame because Randy is an excellent writer. It lightly discusses advertising and marketing, editing, and publishing. It heavily discusses story structure, and the main topic of this book is outlining. Overall, I give this book a worth reading rating. I think How to Write a Novel Using the Snowflake Method would be an excellent choice for pantsers who are struggling with massive rewrites, or outliners who need a little bit more prose in their outlining process. I'm going to include some links for this book down in the comments below. Before I go, I would like to thank the Dead Man's Disco for providing me with these lovely Halloween prints. I will leave a link to their shop below. Well, that's it for this review. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to seeing you next time. My name is Clinton, and I want to share my eyes with you. Today I want to share my review of How to Write a Novel Using the Snowflake Method by Randy Ingermanson. What's his name again? Okay.
I knew you were going to do that.
I can't remember his name. Things I think.
Think about thinking.
First of all, the Goldilocks story, I believe, competes with the Snowflake. Crap, okay, one more time.